Hello and welcome to my 0 to 10K challenge in 30 days with Amazon ads for my Amazon KDP books. I'm Dean, your wealth coach, and let's get started. I'm very excited today. I released another book on the platform. No sales today, which is fine. Let's see, yesterday took me a bit of time to make it, but that's okay. So my highest day was 12. Cool. Look, my birthday, I had the highest in sales. So let's go to marketing. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I've been watching a few videos, or a few strategies on how to increase sales for my ads. But right now, the only thing that's increasing is my spend. My clicks are low. My impressions are moving up. But yeah, nothing's happening right now. Well, I got one click so far. I spent 20 cents on something. Okay, so the new book. Okay. I put a lot of ads to see if something was going to hit. So I'm getting some clicks on the new book, which is good. Okay. And I'm getting some clicks here. Cost per click 50 cents. It's not the end of the world. So yeah, I got a few clicks, which is not bad. This one here is still a bit high. I'm trying to figure this one out. It's not working for some reason. Okay, so we'll change a few of these ones. That one is fine. So we'll change this one. We'll change these ones around. Yeah, so the new strategy, we'll see if it works and see if it gains some traction. I'm going to also set the Canadian market for the new book. Well, I'm going to work on American first. Canadian seems to be very slow. I don't know what's going on over there. Once I start seeing a bit of traction, I'll set the new ad up for that one. Let's see here. So we're at 63. So these ones I studied from the beginning, but last 2 weeks barely anything. So I might just stop them and just create new ad campaigns. The one that I set up yesterday for the book is already gaining traction. However, the rest of these, they don't seem to be moving. So I got 26 campaigns up. Impressions, but no clicks. There's a lot of ways to go about this. I'm going to look into targeting. And there was something else they mentioned to look at. A few metrics that I gotta look at to see what's going on with my ads as to why they're not converting, or why I'm barely getting impressions on the ones I just created. Okay, so that's it for there. Canadian side. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Canadian side, I can't get no traction over here. I have a feeling the UK has surpassed them. If you guys have any tips on how to increase ads or something that has worked for you, share it in the comments below. And if there's a video that you'd like me to make, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright. $50 impressions, but no clicks. Okay. For that, we need to figure out why nothing is clicking. Until then, we gotta figure out what works. Once I figure out what works, boom, we're golden. See, look at that. More impressions here than the Canadian side, and it started later. Kind of weird. Yeah, so we'll change these, and then we'll get to go. Can't believe we're at day 16. Far away from the 10K, but that's okay. You learn a lot as you go along. I don't know if I'm gonna push these ones any more higher because this is in pounds, so it's like double the price of the Canadian dollar. So I don't want to be paying over 80 cents for these. It's time to adopt the new strategy. Yeah, so I'm gonna let these ones run for a bit at 40, what do they call it, quints or pence? I don't know why they just don't say cents, but whatever. Yeah, this one I'm not gonna touch. I'm gonna let it run for a couple of days. Let's see what happens. If nothing, then we would need to switch around the strategy. So these ones are all auto setup for the UK and Canada, I believe. Yeah, all auto setup, but auto doesn't seem to be doing anything special for me. So I'm going to pivot and do manual ads or manual keyword search, because then I can control how many ads I have in there. I think you can put up to like 999 words. So I'm gonna wait for a bit, and then if still nothing, then I'm gonna go convert to the manual ads. I hope you're finding these videos helpful, inspirational, motivational, to just give you that courage to just start anything that you want, that you put your mind to, and just put some effort into it. Over time, your success will compound and you'll achieve the goals that you desire. And I will see you tomorrow for day 17 of my 0 to 10K challenge in 30 days.